Why isn't it getting brighter? Never mind. Alright, from here I'm going to shift right click and hold multi-cut. So I have the multi-cut tool. I want to hold shift, and then from up here, while holding shift for the multi-cut tool, I'm going to out here or right here, right here, yeah, right here. Hold shift, drag it down, and I can align it to be straight line. Let go. Press W, press right mouse button, vertex mode, grab this, pull it down a bit, grab that, pull it that, grab that, pull it, grab that, kind of pull it like that, grab that, kind of pull it like that. Shift right click, hold multi-cut, same thing. I want this to be more plump. Hold shift, left click, drag it down, move it around so it's straight, let go, press W, grab the vertices like that, pull on it, grab both of these, press R, smash it flat like this, press W, yank on it, grab this, leave it alone, grab that, yank on it, there, grab that, yank on it, then shift right click, hold multi-cut again. I'm gonna grab right around here, shift, drag, let go, press W, grab this, pull on it, grab that, 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 pull, pull, that, pull, grab that, pull, grab both, pull, grab that, pull, grab that, pull, grab that, pull, grab that, pull, shift right click, hold multi-cut, hold shift, click out here, make a straight line, let go, press W, grab these two, yank on it, grab these, yank, grab these, yank. Here, shift right click, shift, you have to hover over here, shift right click, multi-cut, hold shift, drag it while holding shift, left click down, drag it, let go, press W to get out of the tool, grab these vertices, yank it, grab this, yank it, grab this, both of these, yank it, grab this, yank it, grab that, yank it, grab that, yank it, grab that, yank it, like so, grab that, kind of yank it like that, kind of you know, blocking it in. And then I think I want to kind of flow the lines like this, that, grab this, kind of do that, grab that, kind of do that. Main thing I'm concerned about is the spacing, right? because I don't want to do things like this. See, it just already feels off. So as long as the spacing, then grab this, pull it down a bit. Maybe I'll grab like that. Maybe I'll grab kind of like this and this a bit, something like that. Maybe I'll grab this, kind of tuck that in. Grab that. Maybe I'll do that a bit. That. Reason why I'm doing kind of giving a slight angle is that it's just to avoid completely stiff straight lines. It has to do with edge flow, they call it. Basically like the train tracks. See how the lines are flowing? See? And here, shift right click, hold multi-cut. Shift right click, hold. Multi-cut. And then, so here, I'm gonna do Control Shift. And then, hold on Control, hold on Shift, hover over here. Something like this. Then, I'm going to left click. Then let go. Press W. Right click, vertex mode, grab that, pull over there, pull, maybe I'll kind of pull like this, like that, grab this, maybe I'll kind of pull like that. So this one's going this way, this one's going like that. Maybe I'll grab that and kind of pull that maybe. Pull that a bit. Maybe I'll pull like this. Grab that and pull like that. All right. Press 5. Shift right click. Damn it, why is it selected? Shift. I'm gonna save it. Control Shift S 03. Select it. And then shift right click, hold multi-cut. And then I'm gonna click snap. And then I'm gonna click around here. I'm gonna click here, I'm going to do Control and Shift. Control Shift makes a perfect straight line, and then hold down Control, hold on Shift, left click, press W. Good. Right click, vertex mode, grab this. Maybe I'm gonna kind of make it a little bit fatter. Like that. Then I'm gonna right click, object mode, shift right click, hold, multi-cut. Click, snap. Gonna click around here, this big. And then here I'm gonna do Control Shift, holding Control Shift, and then left click. Press W. Right click, edge mode, just like that. Shift right click, hold, and delete edge. Right click, vertex mode. Grab that, maybe do that. Grab that. Grab that. Grab that. Maybe I'll kind of pull on it a bit. Grab that. I'll pull on it that. Grab that. Maybe I'll pull on it that. Grab that. Kind of pull. Grab that. Kind of pull a bit. Shift right click, hold, multi-cut. I'm going to do a holding shift, left click, drag it while holding shift. That. Press W. Right click, hold, vertex mode, grab that. I'm gonna kind of pull on it. Grab that, kind of pull on it. Grab that. Grab that. Pull on it. Flowing. Let me grab that. Maybe yank on it a bit. Yeah. Okay. Right click, object mode. Turn these on. Select that, right click, vertex. Select the top. Pull it down. Maybe around there. Maybe instead I'll pull it a little bit back up so it's a little bit thicker. Make it believable that it's actually holding the blade, has enough space to hold the blade. Right click, object mode. Select that, right click, edge. I'm gonna double tap. I'm gonna double tap here. Hold shift, double tap. All this time I was holding shift while double tapping. I'm gonna yank it down, like around here. See, all that work that I was doing was in order to do this, to pull it down. This part I need to fix. Right click, object mode, Control Shift S, 04, enter, spacebar, spacebar. Select the sword, top right. That's the one I have not set to reference. Right click, vertex mode, grab all of these vertices, zoom in, squeeze it down some more, so it's like about yay thin. Alright, not bad. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna grab this, and then I'm gonna go mesh display, soften hardened edges, this option box, so that's Control Shift left click, that's that. This is the same one from before. I'm gonna just delete it. I'm gonna click on this. This basically means, because right now Alt 5, see the shading is kind of looks soft, so I select it. I'm gonna apply soften hardened edges. 10 degree is gonna make it like flat and faceted. See? Yeah. Close. Alright. Then perhaps what I'll do next is I'm gonna select the blade. Let me grab this hilt. And then I'm gonna make a layer for it. Double tap, underscore, hilt, top right, underscore, save. Save. Set to reference. I'm gonna select this. I'm gonna hide that. Hide that. Select it. Shift right click hold, multi-cut. I'm gonna go start here. Multi-cut. I'm gonna click here. What? And then I'm gonna go all the way up. I'm gonna click here. So again, I had started here. I clicked here. Then I clicked here. Gonna come around. I'm gonna hold Shift, Control, and Shift. I'm gonna hover over it. So it's a Control and Shift right around here. Right there. Left click, press W. Alt 5, so you can see that it made duplicates on all sides. Select it, hover over it, right click hold object mode, shift right click hold multi-cut. I'm gonna click, snap. I'm gonna click, snap there, press W, so then shift right click hold multi-cut, click snap, click and drag right around maybe like here, press W. I'm gonna go in here, edge mode, select, and shift, hold shift and select, zoom in a bit, pull it like here. So I'm looking from the inside, right? I'm gonna turn off the grid so you can see. See? Press Q to hide the gizmo, press W to bring it back. So I like to do that just to see better. Right click object mode, click outside, Alt 5 to take away the wireframe shaded, select it, click on the soften harden, apply, close. There, see?